I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. Begin by going to your profile and tap the three lines at the top of the page. Then tap Account Center. Under Account Settings, tap Personal Details. Over here, select Account Ownership and Control and select Deactivation or Deletion. From there, you will select the account you want to deactivate and choose between Deactivate or Delete. By deactivating your account, your profile will become hidden from Instagram until you decide to reactivate it. If you choose to delete your account, your profile and all the data associated with it will be permanently deleted and you will not be able to get it back. If you just want to take a break from Instagram, make sure you select Deactivate, not Delete. Then tap on Continue at the bottom. Enter your password and tap Continue again. Instagram would like to know why you are deactivating your account. Select a reason for deactivating. If you don't want your account to reactivate automatically, tap the drop down and select Don't reactivate automatically. Tap Continue again. Finally, tap Deactivate account. That's how you temporarily deactivate your Instagram account.